Get a silver rank in nationals aerobics all over India while coming second in mixed pair. So it was the first time to get medal, second nationals.
Next time we will get gold medal. We will try our best.
सिल्वर मेडल हाडले हे खरें म्हणल्यार गोंयचे टिमी खातीर एक प्रावड कशें. गेल्या वर्सा ताणें जे गोंयांत जाल्लें नॅशनल लेवल थंय ताणें एक गोल्ड मेडल हाडिल्लें आनी एक सिल्वर मेडल हाडिल्लें आनी ते रशियेक सिलेक्ट लेगीत जाल्लें. पूण कांय कारणां खातीर ताका रशियेक वचपाक मेळूंक ना. हे खरें आमचे खातीर एक हें जातलो. पूण आयज म्हाका ताजें खूब प्रावड दिसता आनी हाजे फुडें तशेंच आमच्या गोंया खातीर आनी ह्या क्रीडा भारती खातीर ते बरे तरेन परफॉर्म करतले हाजी म्हाका आस्त आसा आनी ते पद्दतीन आमी ताका तयार करतले. ताका जी मदत लागतली, जो सपोर्ट जाय तो सगळो सपोर्ट हांव ताजो फादर आनी रुचा ताजी मदर आमी ताका जाता तितल्या पर्यंत करपाचो यत्न करतले.
Second national aerobic and fitness championship was held in Nagpur, Maharashtra on 28th and 29th of August, and from Goa team has participated. Total 12 students participated under the banner of deserving fitness sports and fitness center Goa. And 12 students were participated. It was a really proud moment for us because out of that 4 won silver and 1 won bronze. And it is not only a proud moment for our students, parents and our school, Vidyavruti school, but it is a proud moment for the Goa that they won 3rd place. Out of all these 10 states participated throughout India, and 3rd place we got, Goa got. So I request all of you a big round of applause for them.